Okay, good afternoon, my dear student. Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to start a new tool, a new resource. It's a very nice resource. Okay, it's about Kialo. Okay, the Kialo.com and Kialo Edu. Okay, first of all, we're going to start about what is Kialo. Kialo is a powerful online debate and argument structuring tool with a Kialo edit aimed especially at class use. Kialo is an online debate site that's built for structuring and mapping arguments with Kialo edu, especially meant at use in the classroom. Kialo is an online discussion tool designed for educational use. It is a free, open version that purpose and facilitate the practice of the critical thinking, decision making, and implementation of content present in the classroom for students. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the content pros about the Kialo. Okay, Kialo, the idea behind Kialo is to help students work on their critical reasons skill in order to better put knowledge into application actions. By leveling up how a debate looks structurally, this can be a big help. Kialo is free to use for a student and teacher. Okay, one side up is easy to create a new topic of debate. I have to look especially for students in the classroom who have been invited to join. And the pros, the students do not have a good grammar and the time of development to debate or the subject to be tried. A student finds it difficult to enter the application easily for the reason that cannot carry out the activity. Okay, now we're going to move, for the principals page about the Kiao. Okay, you have to go to Google, okay, and then you have to put kialo.com. Okay, we have the Kialo. Okay, you have to put login. Okay, give me a second, please. Okay, just a minute. Okay, you have to put Kialo. Okay, Kialo.com. Okay. Okay, you have to put here. Okay, we have a Kialo. Okay, we have some option. We have the Kialo.com and Kialo.com. Okay, you have a create a discussions. Yeah, you have to put here. Okay, we have the option Kialo.com. These are all people around the world, and this is a professor for education at kialoedu.com. But in this occasion, we are going to start with kialoedu.com because it's more for educational, it's for us, okay? You have to register, okay? You have to select, if you prefer, select on the Google or Microsoft or Facebook, okay? In this case, I'm going to put in Google, okay? I register in this page, okay? Okay, now you have to put here, okay, create discussions, okay, you have to select if you prefer private or public, okay, I'm going to put public, okay, put here, select a discussion type, you have to put if you prefer select single thesis or multiple thesis, okay, I'm going to select single thesis, okay, you have a pros and cons, okay, next, Okay, here, then the center discussion details. Okay, I'm going to put about adolescents pregnant. Okay, we have this. Okay, this is a principal topic occasion I'm going to select. Okay, I put a short description, sorry, about the what happened in adolescent pregnant. Okay, you have to put any kind of information about the more related in this part. Okay, then you have to put a short background about the add information about the parameters of this discussion. For example, what happened for the pregnancy. For example, I put about the, for example, the health concepts. Okay, these are short examples. Okay, what happened for the girl, or what happened in the pregnancy for the young woman. Here you put the tasks, also the different kind of tasks. For example, girls. Okay, for example, pregnancy, word. Okay, if you prefer. Okay, if you prefer. Okay, in these occasions, you have discussion language is in English. Okay, you have put the next. Okay, here you have upload the imaging. Okay, the pictures about the your topic. Okay, in these occasions, my principal topic is about the pregnancy. Okay, I select this. Okay, this young woman. Okay, with the kid. Okay, select. Okay, very good. Okay, what's happened here? We have the principal questions about the pregnancy. Okay, you have to put here the pros. Okay, you write if you point of view about this principal idea about the adolescent pregnancy. Okay, you have to put safe. Okay, and then you have to put comes. You have to write your point of view or your opinion about this topic, this related question. Okay, and you put safe. Okay, after that, okay, let me see, you put share. Okay, going to share the invitation. Okay, you say me or you me. Okay, for this occasion, I'm going to select my email. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, and then you put invitation. Okay, this is a message. Okay, you receive a message, and then you have to go to email. Okay, you have to receive your email. Okay, you have to receive your mail. Okay, the principal topic for the discussion in this occasion is about the adolescent pregnancy, and you have to put here join the discussion. Okay, you put click there. Okay, and then you have to go and you have to write your opinion. You have to write the principal question about the adolescent pregnancy, and you have to put the pros and the cons. Okay, and after that we are going to see you clams. Okay, for you students. Okay, my dear students, is all for today. Thank you so much. Okay, and see you next week. Okay, bye bye. Take care.